You know, Rodney, everywhere I look here in Heritage, I see that pesky sold sign. But wait a minute, you got some information on this one?
I do. The Ryland by Stanley Martin Homes.
Now, Stanley Martin's a national builder. They basically came into the market by purchasing Essex homes and really kind of seamless. Now, what do we know about this house?
Yeah, that home is listed at $490,000, 3 bedrooms, 3 baths. It's 2,700 square feet approximately.
Now, see, that's on lot 188. That's a lot of house, really, when you think about it. When Patty and I moved into a 55 plus a couple years ago, we went from like a 3,500 to about 25 plus. And so that one is generous.
Yes, sold again. And the ones on the left, Roger, will have homes on the behind them, but the ones over here will not have homes with those tall trees in the back.
What do we know? Is that common open space behind there?
Correct. That is common open space. And you know, the best part about a 55 plus community is the HOA takes care of the lawn.
Don't I know that? Now, that's the one we just toured, right?
Correct. That's 152. That's on the market right now today, and listed for $480,000.
See, that's a great value in my book, Rodney. Plus, with a wooded lot, that one's got, hold on just a second, that one's got 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, and a flex room.
And a flex room. And I'll tell you, Roger, if people see the video we did on it, they'll see that premium covered porch on the back with the grilling deck on the side.
Oh, and the wooded lot.
And the wooded lot.
How many times do you get asked about wanting a wooded lot?
You know, if I get asked once, I get asked almost every time when I initially start talking with
So these
clients.
are kind of rare. It's just pretty amazing. Now, this one's available. I like the roof line of that. The pitch of that roof is amazing.
Yeah, that's Eastwood Homes, and it is available. So,
what kind of price point are they in?
Yeah, they're basically in the same price point. Everything is in about the mid 4s to the low 5s.
I think Eastwood's got some that are closer to 6. Some of them, but
they do.
The key is right now. See that? Look at the pitch on that. That is gorgeous.
It is. Very
now, Rodney,
nice.
If they walked into, say, one of those builders' models, they're going to kind of get mesmerized by the salesperson, their knowledge, and then they may not even make it to the other builder. And if they did, don't you find people kind of get confused?
They do, and I'll tell you, if they walk in without having a representation as a buyer's agent, a lot of times the builders will not recognize them having a buyer's agent. That's why it's critical in the beginning that the subscribers reach out to you or reach out to me before they contact the builder.
Well, there's no doubt about that, because that's how they get you. That's my new little line. So that one's sold. We do like Eastwood. That's a great local and regional builder. Stanley Martin is a national builder. But Rodney, isn't it true that you're able to kind of bring perspective? If they say, I kind of like this home because of this, and then you'll often point something out based on your acute listening skills. You listen to their wants and needs and time frame. And aren't you able often to put stuff in perspective for them?
You know, I am, Roger, and it's often happens that buyers start off one direction, and then after we discuss and drill down to what they're really looking for, they end up going another direction. I help people with new homes. I help them with resale homes.
Wait a minute, guys. He's getting ready to give his little poem. His little poem, he helps them on buy and sell north and south. Go ahead with that little poem.
That's right. New homes, resale homes in both North and South Carolina, and I also list and sell homes.
Absolutely, and you can help people make a seamless transition. And nobody really understands mortgages and finance like Rodney. So again, making the transition, and this is again, full service, full-time realtor. We're not just some part-timers trying to capitalize on a real estate boom. We do this full-time and for a lot of years, and so we got a great team. But Rodney, in general, new construction, is this a good time to buy new construction?
You know, without a doubt it is. And I'll tell you, the builders, some of them are on a calendar year, so they've built inventory. They want to sell and close inventory before the end of the year, because that frees up capital to build new homes in the upcoming year. And I'll tell you, Roger, what we've had clients experience lately, that, you know, I do a market analysis for the community so that people can say, well, you know, they're asking $480,000 on this home, and I show them, well, here's what some of the other people who've recently closed have paid for a similar home, and people find that invaluable.
Oh, no doubt. Plus, you've got decades of local knowledge, and you're fun to work with. And so, what's really funny about us is, if you're new to the channel, you may not know this, and if you are new, hit that subscribe. But you know, I'm just going to ask Rodney a question. My name is Roger. His name is Rodney. Rodney, do you ever get called Roger?
Minimum 5 times a day.
That's funny, man. So what's the next step for people?
Yeah, call me or call Roger before you reach out to the builders. We can help you with new and resale. My number is 704-202-7460. You can call me direct. Sometimes I'm out with people. Sometimes I'm doing inspections or walkthroughs. So Roger's probably a little more accessible.
Yeah, I answer the phone, guys, because that's what I do. So we're shooting videos most every day. We'd love to hear from you. This is in Indian Trail, North Carolina, which is really not far from Monroe, Matthews, really, and the southeast quadrant. And there are a number of 55 plus neighborhoods. They just opened these lots up within the last few months, and we like Stanley Martin and we like Eastwood. So give us a call. Let us show you the whole market before you fill out a form on a builder's website, before you walk into a model home on a Sunday afternoon. Don't do it. If you do, you're stupid. Why do you say that? Because, and I met a number of people in my neighborhood that recognized me. They're subscribers, but they didn't discover me until after they went to the model. So be forewarned. When I say stupid, you're paying for something that you're not getting. Why? Because the price of our fee is built into the price of the home and their marketing budget, and you don't get a discount if you don't have an agent. So give me a call, or on location Heritage, new lots from Stanley Martin and Eastwood Homes, a lot of spec available, and some of these right here are on wooded lots, like the one you're gonna see Rodney and I just toured at the end of this video. So stick around for that, and we'll see you in the next video.